Highest common factor. Many students ask, where are you used in real life? My biggest job is dividing things into the largest equal groups without leaving anything behind. Imagine you have 24 chocolates and 36 candies. I help you divide them into the maximum number of equal gift packs. Teachers use me into equal teams for games and classroom activities. Bakers and chefs use ideas like me to divide ingredients into equal portions. Factories use me to cut long wires, pipes, and wooden planks into the largest equal pieces without wasting material. Event organizers use me to arrange tables into equal rows. Gardeners use me to divide land into equal sections for planting. I also help simplify fractions before solving math problems. When engineers design machines, they often use math like me for equal measurements. Programmers use factors and multiples in many algorithms, so I'm not just a topic, I'm useful in everyday life. Whenever you need the greatest number that divides, 2 or more numbers exactly, that's when I come to help. Remember, I save time, reduce waste, and help create equal groups. Smart Math Helper.